collaborate more effectively, and improve the design review process for your AutoCAD files with the Markup Import and Markup Assist tool for AutoCAD 2026. Extract redlines and comments from PDF files or image files such as JPEGs or PNGs. Once imported, Markup Assist will detect handwritten or application-created markups and notes on the plan drawings. You can import comments and revision clouds directly into your design file and choose how the elements will display. These imported markups will become active elements in the design file. You can also import markups and issues created in Autodesk docs. Specific geometry, like the crossout shape, can be added to markups and will initiate functions such as delete. Once these PDF markups are synchronized, they can be incorporated into your AutoCAD design file. Issues and markups created in Autodesk docs can also be viewed in the design file on the trace layer. These issues can be accessed and viewed in Autodesk docs from AutoCAD without switching applications using the Markup Assist. Once drawings have been synced, the trace palette will show the files that have been previously accessed and will provide the current status of issues that have been updated in Autodesk docs. The Markup Import and Markup Assist functions help to automate and improve the design review process and incorporate details and feedback into your AutoCAD drawings without switching between applications.